Hello and welcome to this webinar by Valency Networks on security guidelines for developers to follow during work from home scenario. My name is Chetna Pangare and I am here to share expert security guideline for code security. Let's begin. Topic 1. Secure configuration of code repository. A code repository can be online or offline. While using an online code repository, an organization should make sure that the portal runs on HTTPS. In case organization is using open source free code repository, make sure security configuration and settings are done tightly. While using offline code repository, an organization should establish secure VPN channel for each developer. With higher technical provisions, an organization can lock VPN access to company-given assets only. Topic 2. Access to the code repository. During work from home scenario, an organization should consider to restrict the number of developers who can check in or check out code. Enable event logging on all code repositories to track the activities done by developer. Each developer should have individual user ID and password to log in to the code repository. Topic 3. Project lead and production environment. Project lead should set protocols for code check-in and check-out. Project lead should actively monitor the movement of code changes by setting appropriate approvals or checkpoints before letting in any newly developed code in repository. Project lead can set up chat forum which is secure and private to the organization for developers to collaborate. During deployment, project lead must work closely with IT Ops and DevOps team. Access to production instances must be restricted and event logging should be enabled rigorously. Let's have a quick overview of all the security guidelines. Securely configure your code repository. Restrict access to code repository. Enable detailed and rigorous event logging and storage. Control change management process must be followed. And restrict access to production infrastructure. Thank you for attending this webinar.